Well, good morning everyone. Leafy Farms. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. This morning we're out baling hay. Getting it all baled. Got a little bale there, I don't know why we did that, but that's alright. Got the John Deere and New Holland baler. We'll be over in that one in a little bit. Well, it didn't take long over there. We got two little bales, but they're pretty heavy because it packs it down pretty good. We're now over here. We took the outer headland out, so we'll see how many little bales we get out of here. But they look pretty good. Good alfalfa bale, a good little hay bale mixed with alfalfa. So it looks pretty good. Tractor's coming now. Yeah, we'll see what we get at the end. So I'll probably do one more clip of the tractor coming by, and then we'll see how many bales we have. All right. We're about done with everything. Just gotta finish up the last pass. We got two bales over here, so we'll have one more bale. So that'll be pretty good. More hay for the cows. So tractor's right here. Bales over here. We are done. Alright, that's a wrap. We'll pick them up today. Well, here's one of the bales. Looks pretty damn good. Our helper is getting ready to head out. That one, not this one, but the next one is a little wet. Goes our helper. He's gonna head out. But yeah, the alfalfa did pretty well. Got it this way, but coming this way it didn't want to work so good, so I suppose we'll load these up after a bit and it should be good. Alrighty, see you around.